Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selling. Today I'm coming up to you with a wedding guest makeup tutorial, and I'm super loving this look and also super excited to share with you guys. If you're interested, you want to see how I transform myself from this to this, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. If you watch this video to the end, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and make sure you hit notification bell so that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. With that being said, enjoy. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm going to be doing my brow first. I'm just going to skip this part because you guys have seen me do this 1,000 times. Every product I use, the brow, the brushes, the brow product, the brushes, everything. Okay, you know how we do it. It's going to be down below. Just enjoy. I'm going to skip this part. So guys, to start off, I'm going to be taking this Alverde eyeshadow base. I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid. I'm basically contouring my crease, but don't worry, I'm not going to be doing any sharp crease. I'm going to use my finger to blend that later on. I'm just using my left hand to pull it back because the eye base is a bit dry, so I just had to pull it back so that we don't have any patchness. So as you can see me do, I'm using my ring finger just to blend out the line so that we don't have too much sharpness. So guys, for this look I'm going to be using two eyeshadow palette. The first one is the Hudabeauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm taking the shade called Eden. I'm just going to apply that on my lid, on my mobile lid, just at the middle. So yeah, and I'm just going to tap, and for my inner corner, for more dimension, for my eye to look super wide, I'm just going to be taking that shade called, what is it called? It's called Desert Sand. I'm just going to apply that on my inner corner and move to the other palette. I'm taking this makeup palette, sleek makeup palette, and this one is called Enchanted Forest. I'm going to be taking that beautiful kind of light purple shade. I'm just going to be applying that on my crease very gently with a small round, super round and pointed round brush. I'm just going to blend out the edges out from my outer corner towards my inner corner area very gently because I don't want to mess my inner corner out, like seriously. As you can see me do, I'm taking that deeper purple shade. I'm just going to deepen my crease in my outer corner more. I do love to use this eyeshadow a lot when I'm going for a really glam look. So I'm going to be taking that next shade. It's a bit of, it's not too black, it's a bit of gray, if that makes sense, but it looks dark on camera, and which I love a lot. I'm going to be taking that shade and I'm just going to, I don't know the name, like seriously, I'm going to leave it down below. I'm just going to take another brush. I'm just going to use it to blend out the edges for more dimension because we don't want our lid to be moving from left to right, as you can see me doing. Okay, I'm loving this look, guys. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. So guys, I finally went to get my Rada Dye gel liner, which is from Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner. So I'm going to be taking this angle brush. I'm just going to do super bold wing liner, not too bold, but I'm just going to let my outer corner be bold, but my inner corner is going to be very precise and very tiny. I'm taking a cotton ball. I'm just going to wipe the messiness out of the corner. I'm just going to pop on these lashes. These lashes is from Amazon. Okay, this lashes is from Amazon. I'm just going to take a scissors. I'm just going to cut the end out because they're kind of itchy when I don't cut it out. And I'm going to be taking my dual eyelash glue. It's taking the back of my tweezer just to use to apply the lash glue on the lashes band. So I'm going to be taking this mascara by Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to be popping on my lashes. Okay, I'm loving these lashes. Purposely choose for this eye look. As most have known by now, every look that I create, I want the lashes to match with the eye look, if that makes sense. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other eye off camera because to save time for the video. Honey, what are you thinking? As you can see, I'm feeling myself like you can tell me nothing right now. So move to my face. I'm going to be, priming my face. Like seriously, I'm going to be taking a Smashbox iconic primer stick, my T-zone, and my nose. We are good to go, not any other place because it's a mattifying primer. I'm going to be taking this Benefits the Pro Profession Matte Rescue Primer. I'm almost out. I'm going to be getting another one because this primer, honey, sis, this primer is my everything. It's everything. I'm going to be taking this Juvia brush. I'm just going to apply the primer all over my face, okay? And I'm still going to go ahead and set my face with the L'Oreal Mercier loose setting powder. Okay, so move to foundation. I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Lock Tattoo foundation, and in the shade Deep Warm. I'm just going to shake it a little bit because I haven't used it for quite some time. I'm going to be applying 3 pump and then go ahead and buff that on my face. Okay, I'm loving this foundation. This foundation is on the everyday foundation. Like seriously, I think I have a foundation tutorial on my channel, which I choose out 5 top foundation for oily skin. To do the finish, you guys, I always like to do the finish. I'm going to be taking my Technique sponge, use it to do the finish, airbrush look, finish look, honey. So go ahead and set my face. You guys know I do this before I go in with the highlight and contour jazz. Okay, I'm going to be taking the Naked Skin by Urban Decay, and this one is a dark warm. I'm just going to buff that all over my face, very tiny bit, just very gently with the product, okay? Because this powder right here is a foundation powder, okay? So move to highlights. I'm going to be taking this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'm just going to highlight under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my mouth area, my cupid's bone, all those jazz. You know how we do it. So yeah, your girl, she's extra. And also we are going for wedding. We want our makeup to be on point, like seriously on point, honey. So I'm just going to be applying the L'Oreal Mercier concealer, flawless concealer. I'm just going to apply that on top and let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then go ahead and use a cream contour. This one is by MAC, and it's called Studio Fix, yeah, in the shade NW58. So as you can see, my face was a bit dark, but don't worry, as a makeup junkie, honey, don't get life twisted. Like seriously, your life is already twisted from alone. Okay, I'm going to be blending that out properly. As you can see, my face wasn't so cute because it was a bit too dark. I was carried away. Okay, but don't worry, if you make any mess when it comes to doing your makeup, don't get life twisted. Just be local, just be very calm and chill, okay, honey? So yeah, go ahead and use my Duo beauty blender. You guys know, you have seen this 1,000 times. This beauty blender, guys, it has been with me for over 5 years and nothing has touched it. It was a bit pricey, okay? That is when you invest on something very good, you can use it with care, okay? With care. I'm just going to blend my highlight with that, okay? So yeah. And to do the finish, I always do this. I'm going to be using my foundation brush just to touch every bit of the area that I apply the contour so that everything can look snatch, honey. So for my nose, you guys know my nose is so precious that I had to use extra precise contour brush, and this one is by e.l.f. So yeah, our nose is going to be super snatched because we are going out. When we go out, the makeup can I talk? When I go out, my makeup must be on point, like serious, no mistake, no mistake. Trust me. I'm going to go ahead and set all those places that are highlighted with the lighter concealer. I'm a little bit carried away with this look because I was feeling myself, honey. You don't want to see the end of the video, okay? Anyway, setting all those plates that need to be baking, need to be cooking. I'm going to go ahead and use the MAC Studio Fix set my contour. It was a bit also dark, but don't worry, honey, don't worry, the makeup setting spray is going to do the job for us. I was feeling myself. You can tell me nothing. You can tell me nothing. Anyways, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline with the Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner. Guys, I finally discovered a new small super pointed brush to apply my waterline, because when I use the one I use on my lid is like crazy. This brush right here is my Holy Grace, my rather die. So for my inner corner, I'm going to be taking this Techniques brush. I'm just going to take that dark purple shade. I'm just going to buff that on my bottom lashes so that we can have a lot of life there. So honey, I'm just going to buff off the excess baking powder because we don't need it anymore. We no longer need it anymore. So I'm not using any powder. I'm just setting it just like that, okay? So I'm going to be blushing my cheeks today, guys. Honey, I'm going to be taking this Juvia's Place blush, and this one is called Bella. This blush is everything. Is kind of remind me of the Anastasia blush. I can't remember the name right now. It's so beautiful blush. So yeah, move to highlights. I've not touched this highlight for quite some minute. I say, honey, you need to use this palette today, this glowing palette. This is called Glam Glow Kit. Okay, I'm just going to buff that on my cheekbone, on my forehead, my cupid's bone, my chin, all this jazz, you know what I mean? My inner corner, my nose, and my brow bone. Honey, of course, we don't need to forget that, okay? So yeah, as you can see, my nose is a bit more snatched today because we are going for a wedding. So our nose, not our knee, our nose need to be on snatch, on point, honey, okay? I'm feeling this look. I'm feeling this look. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. You can tell me nothing, darling. You can tell me nothing, darling. Anyway, guys, today I'm using another brow gel. This one is also by Alverde Natural Cosmetic. This one is in brown. Normal, I use the other color, which is transparent. It has nothing inside. But this one, I decided to use the brown because we are going out. This makeup is special, so we really need to put some effort. It's an effort makeup, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and apply just a very tiny bit mascara on my lashes. You guys know I don't do that. I only apply mascara on my bottom lashes when the job is done, okay? I'm going to go ahead and use my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray so that my face can melt and look put together, honey. You know what we are saying when you enter the show and the people ask, who is the honey? Anyway, so guys, for my lips, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline lip liner. This one is called Copper Brown. You guys know I love this lip liner. You can tell me nothing, okay? So for my lips, the lip color, I'm going to be using the Jeffreestar liquid lipstick, and this one is in peach. This liquid lipstick, guys, is everything. So to top it up a little bit because it was a bit too bright, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Color Drama. I'm just going to apply that on my lips, and the name is called Teddy Bear, okay? And for extra glossy shiny, I'm going to be taking this MAC lip gloss. Like, it's everything. Check me out, guys. I'm feeling myself. You tell me nothing. Let's go to wedding. What are you waiting for? Where's my wedding dress? Where's my wedding dress, honey? They are going to snatch on my face 247. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this look. You are inspired by this look as well. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao. Mwah.